Force, shoulder with hip, elbow with knee, and hand with foot. He integrated these 6 harmonies into the routine, blending sword techniques such as pai, splitting, bong, crushing, zuan, drilling, pow, exploding, and hang, crossing, tiao, lifting, and saw, sweeping, to form this exquisite routine. This Jinmen Xingyi Chunyang Jian consists of 6 sections in total. I will explain and demonstrate them for you in sequence. First, I will perform the complete first section. Now I will demonstrate and explain. Shangbu Huaizhong Jian, step forward, sword pointing to chest. Shangbu Huaizhong Jian, rotate your body to the left. Form a sword finger with your right hand, holding the sword against your left